Hello everyone, now Pathology Pro Clinical Lab software also supports toxicology features for reporting of harmful chemicals, substances, narcotics, drugs with all legal report styles for authorities. In New Report you can create particular reports for each separate samples and in sample collection, and handover record forms are managed. Click on New Report, enter the account name for billing. First we will see the sample receiving form. In name or identity column you can enter the barcode or ID of the received samples. While dealing with airport narcotics or police department records are needed for reports and form filling. Enter total tests or parameters you are going to analyze samples for. Also enter in your lab who received the samples from authority. Report reference ID are after the creation of report for particular samples in New Reports menu. You can enter it after the testing of the samples are done, it just for your own records. Press enter to save. Now we will add another sample entry in who received it. Also select the correct collection date and click elsewhere to save the entry. Click on Sample Receiving Form. It will generate the note for authorities like police or narcotic departments. You can also edit the details like which in charge received the samples or created report. Also details of person who handed over the samples for sign and stamping. You can print the report or export it to PDF, Word or Excel by right-clicking it. For the delivery note, you have to enter more details like when the sample is processed, or the custody details or form numbers if authorities provided. As you see in the report, all the requirement of authority forms are filled easily. You can change the font style or your lab details in print settings. For more details, watch our other videos related to lab reports. In Tests menu you can create separate invoice for separate sample, but in this section you can also create bulk invoice for all the samples at once. Just enter the cost of the report and set quantity at 1. You can further add more details like taxes, discounts if you like. Click on Delivery Note with Invoice for bulk sample invoice. Thanks for watching the video.
For setting the template for drug tests, first need to add tests that your lab provides in Test Master menu. Enter the test names and units one by one that you support and click on Save button. Now you have to add the minimum or threshold values by selecting the tests. Enter the values for all tests, and click on Save button. If the values in result are greater than these values, then test result will show positive with red marking. You can also group these tests, which will save your time while creating report. Enter the group title you like. Select the test group and add tests in that selected groups one by one from right side panel. In last video we have seen sample collection menu. Now we will see how to create report for each sample. Enter the account name for billing or accounting purposes. If account is new, then it automatically created. Most of the times police or narcotics or airport authorities pays lab to test the sample results. Software will maintain all payment and balance records. You can add each test separately from list, or you can add multiples tests easily from test group that we just created for drug test. Select the group name and click on Add Tests. It will automatically add all tests. Now you just need to enter the observed values and save all changes. Click on Reports button. It will automatically generate the drug test positive or negative results by calculating the minimum values saved in tests. You can change these values in Test Masters. You can print or create PDF, Excel or Word file of this report by right-clicking. Drug authorities usually do not give the patient name, but give sample ID or barcode that you can enter in sample ID box. And in patient name you can enter the department or authority name from which you received or giving the report. This is example of positive or negative tests report format. There are many report formats and print settings. Usually first report format is selected as default that you see. You can change the report style as you like for all kinds of reports. Thanks for watching the video. For more features and settings, watch our other videos. You can download this software free by clicking the link in the description.